Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize row and column in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Sheets and for example, I'm going to resize this column and this row. First of all, I'm going to resize my column. So I'm going to select all the columns I have. Make sure you select in this section. And after that, we're going to right click on it and select resize column. Okay, and then for the column, I'm just going to enter 100, for example. Then we can click on OK. And as you can see that the size of my column has been changed. And the second one, I'm going to resize my row. So I'm going to select all the rows I have and then we can right click on it and select resize row. Okay, and for the row, I'm going to input 30 and click on OK. Alright guys, and that's all the way to resize row and column on a single click in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.